fucking so nervous right now. You have no fucking idea, dude. Like, I know you guys are probably like, what a bitch, but I'm serious. Like, I really do get scared easy as fuck. Why am I the Grim Reaper? Yeah. Hold on, I gotta blow my nose though. Okay. Alright, what do I have to do to pick my character? Dude, don't make it hard. I need to learn and all that good shit. Yeah. Yeah. Something. Cause dude, I fucking, please don't fucking do that. That's fucking annoying. Oh, my neck. Find all the tape recorders. Where the fuck is everyone at? If I turn around and I get fucking yelled at, I'm gonna fucking... Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's people. Oh. What don't you understand about I get scared easily, bitch? I wish you would, like, cover your mouth when you did that. Hold on. Let me make sure you guys are in the chat. Hold on real quick. Okay, you guys are on. Fuck off, Jason. Wait, what can I do? Can I, like, shoot stuff? You guys are so fucking loud. Oh my goodness, I gotta turn you down. Wait, so what do? You just walk around? Can you run?
You can run you can sprint with the left trigger. Guys, back this way. There's a table right here. Where are you? Over here. I'm down the Albert looking guy.
Who's the fucking Archie looking dude with the blonde hair?
I'm Archie. I'm Archie, motherfucker. Don't make fun of my glasses.
You look like Archie, bitch.
Fuck your glasses. Oh,
Dude.
no, not this one. No, Paul, you chose the wrong one. You chose...
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Yo, don't run past me like that, you fucking Elvis bitch. Oh my god.
Tommy, go kitty.
Yo, I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done already. I can't do this.
At least Grim's not playing at his full extent.
Yo, on some real shit, I'm gonna keep it real. We could have aliens invade us, and I'd lead you against them. We could do all. We could like stuff could come from under the ground, and I'd fight with you. But
Oh, fuck. Oh, no, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
what happens if you look at it?
Don't. You want to find out, Joey?
No, I don't want to find out. You.
As your grandma naked, come out of the shower. Don't look at that. What? Why would I want? What is wrong with you? Why would I want to come out my grandma naked? I'm just saying you don't look at that.
No problem, Peaches, man. I'm being a little bitch right now because I've never done this, and people are like fucking with me.
No one fucking who would fuck with you? We have strategy. Potter said he wanted me to call you, scare you during this time, and I told him no.
If you call me, dude, I will. When I get home, I will fucking destroy you.
That's what I'm saying.
I will fucking.
told him no. Potter, what did I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
I will rain. Oh, what the fuck is that? Hold on. Dude, what's wrong? Wait, what's going on? What's going on?
Don't look at him.
What do you mean don't look at him? What the fuck you mean? There's a big fucking thing on the
I
left.
told you he's not there anymore, Joey. He appears and then he just.
Okay, but like my screen froze and everything went like what the fuck?
Yeah, that's what happened.
Okay, what do you do?
Down there, guys. Guys, it's down there. He's right here on the right. No, he's on the right. Oh, shit. No, not the right. No, I'm saying he's on the right. He's next to the tape. Why would I want to go by him?
Okay, wait, what shut up, bitches. Wait. What do we do when the fucking screen freezes?
You turn around. You just turn, you look away. That's all you do. Look away. Get away from him and look away.
Wait, what does looking away do?
He doesn't get you. He'll disappear.
Dude.
He's not trying to kill you, but he's weird. I don't know. It's like he wants to touch you in the bum. Why are you just saying it? Because I told you. That's why I told you. Chris doesn't say shit. It's evil. He's the devil.
Dude.
Grim is the devil. I swear to God. Green Dildo, don't look at it. Oh, grandma, bacon. Don't look at it.
What happens if you look at the green dildo? Seriously, what happens?
You die. You fucking die.
I'm not gonna die.
No, your whole screen freezes, you go blank, and you die.
I'm trying to run because I don't want to. You never. And for the record, in a scary area, for the record, you should never be the person in the back of the fucking line, dude. Never.
I'm right behind you, Joey. Let's go back the other way. You run out of stamina. Let's go this way. Back up that way.
Who's talking? I mean, this Archie. Where? Grim. Hey, Grim. Stop being a dick and say something.
Grim's not gonna stop. I'm telling you. He's like that. He's scary. He's scared shit out of me.
Dude, don't. You're an asshole. I'll fucking mute you. I'll fucking mute you.
There's a green dildo, so don't touch it or look at it.
Stop running in front of me. I hear him. He's on the left.
No, it's not him. It's probably the tape recording. You're already in here. There's still tape recording. We didn't go over it.
So what is the point of the flashlight then? Just to see where you're going?
My light's flickering. My light is flickering like the bitch right now.
What does light flickering mean?
Let me see it coming. Fuck you, Grim. I know that's you. No. Fuck you. No, he doesn't.
Wait, so what happens if you collect all the tapes? Do you go to like another level or something?
I don't know. I never collected them. If you want me to be honest. Follow Grim. Let's go to the left. Let's go to the door. Why would we follow Grim? Apparently he's finding all of them. I'm good. I'm scared of Grim because he's just gonna kill us. Grim's not doing anything yet, so far so good.
Grim, stop running, asshole.
You can run now, Joey. Your stamina is limited, but it replenishes when you walk.
Well, hear it. I hear it. Right side. Right side. Right side in this room.
Don't look at him. No, he's not with the tape.
The tape.
The guy doesn't make the noise. It's the tape that makes noises. That's how you find him.
Dude, Turtle Beaches are not my friend right now because I can hear everything. Right
I
side.
can hear a tape over here. Yeah, we're going to the train station. Everyone left me, by the way. Fuck guys. Thanks, guys. Come back for you.
I don't.
Fuck you. Somebody needs to come back now, because I'm not, my life's supposed to be like a bitch. I'm waiting for that it's not safe to be alone thing.
Hey, can we go get her? Cause everyone's leaving. You guys are being dicks.
I don't know where I am.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god!
Why you the shit out of me? Fucker. Dad. Fucking Joey. I can see, okay, wait, I can see Graham. I can see Graham. Hold on. Graham, I'm behind you. Fuck you. Say
Dude, I don't. Hold on. Stop. Stop, Potter. Stop, bitch. You fucking Archie bastard. We split up. This is how white people die all the time in the movies. What the fuck was that? Can you guys hear that? Did you hear the grumbling? Did you hear the?
Oh, as you progress, the noises get really intense. Yeah, you have to get it. Yeah.
What do you mean the noises get intense?
See, you're getting scared on normal mode. How are you gonna do nightmare?
What's nightmare? What's the difference?
Nightmare's more. He's more intuitive. He's more. He pops out more. The tapes are, more hidden. Like you pretty much get FCA playing Nightmare.
Okay, where are we going? Who are we following? I only see one person. Where the fuck is? Okay, there's Furby. Where's Graham?
Don't ask that because he'll pop out of nowhere. I'm telling
Okay.
you.
I'm getting annoyed because I actually want to like complete the tapes and everyone's.
He said he's stuck. Graham is stuck. Graham said he's stuck. Graham, can you please talk for a minute?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't do this shit. I can't do this shit. Where are you guys at? Hold on, wait, whoa, hey, where'd you go? Stop. Pineapples. Where the fuck are you?
Graham, where are you? Graham, you're about to die, aren't you? Oh, fuck, yeah, let's get you.
He was just right here. What?
Well. I told you, Potter, this is a really bad map. You get stuck on everything. You didn't say that. You said this. Yes, I did. No, I did not say that. Okay, what are we gonna do? Oh, you're fucking dead. Well, you're gonna die. Sacrifice him. He's dead. He's not. Oh, guys, right there. What the fuck? Guys, right there. He jumped out. What the fuck? Right. Run. Peace out, bitches. Every man for himself.
Why can't I? Dude, start. Why am I stopped running? What's that noise? What's that noise? What's that noise?
You don't hear him yet. Your controller shakes first when he pops up.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Run away! Run away! Run away! What am I waiting for? Fuck you!
We're trying to find the tape, Joey. There's no tape here.
Dude, there's no tapes here. We need to get the fuck out of Dodge. Like, we're done here. There's nothing in the train station.
I've never. Okay, look, this is when you know Joe's scared. I have never heard him say, "Get the fuck out of Dodge." Never. Never. That's just great. Let's go this way.
Dude, I'm fucking hyperventilating. Can you guys see my face right now? Like how I'm like I'm actually breathing hard. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Please stop. Please stop real quick so I can put the camera bigger. Hold on. I'm gonna move it bigger. I'm gonna move it a little bit bigger. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Oh, okay. Never mind. Let's go.
Fuck you, Jason. Fuck you.
Okay, I can't put it right there because of the text. Okay, I think that's good enough. It's enlarged already. Can you? Is that enlarged enough, guys? Please let me know on the stream, because I'm not gonna sit here and sit still and fuck with the stream, because they told me if I sit still I'm gonna die, and I'm not fucking dying. Is it Is it bigger? Is it better? I'm following Grim, because he's the only one that's like fucking ballsy enough to walk off by himself like an asshole.
No, he's not ballsy. He's trying to scare us. What are you not getting from what I'm telling you?
Oh, okay. Well, stop.
He's trying to scare you.
Okay, so hold on, guys. Hold on. Just slow down for a little bit so I can put it in the bottom left.
You realize that if we stay in one area for too long, he's gonna pop out.
Okay. Well, I'm walking forward then. I'm just trying to get the camera. Is the camera big enough, guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, someone just screamed. No lie, I heard that shit.
Why are you leaving, Grim? I'm going this way.
Oh my god, motherfucker, son of a bitch, son of a bitch. Run, run, dude. I hate that shit because it shakes my controller and my heart is not fucking ready. I am not ready.
Where did the Grim go? I'm telling you, he's doing it on purpose. Why isn't anyone listening? I play with him. He's mean. Next time he gets stuck in second place due to the damn monsters.
I can't tell if my camera's on because I can't personally see it because of the sub alert. My fucking allergies are going crazy, my heart's thumping. This is bullshit. Can we find the fucking tapes already?
And you want to play Slenderman. You are hilarious.
I hear the tape is over here.
Slenderman with
Oh, no.
Slenderman with a what?
He's going with his oddly long arms. He is going to touch you in your no-no-no. Hard. He's going to molest you.
Can you guys wait for the fucking guy who scared out his mind, please? Can we not?
I'm waiting for you.
Where the fuck is Grim? Grim, stop being a dick!
Grim died. I keep telling you he died and watch. He's gonna pop out and you're gonna get scared, Joey. That's what happened when he died.
I thought I heard the
Joey, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm following you.
Oh, wait, you're right here. Oh, wait, you guy with blonde hair. Get over here. Look,
Archie Punker.
Archie bitch, get over here. Come here.
Fucking Richie Rich looking bitch.
When we die, Joey, it's worse than when we're alive. So if Grim died, you're gonna get scared.
Why?
I can't tell you why. I can just tell you that you're
I'm gonna turn the game off if you don't fucking tell me why. Cause I'm fucking, my heart is.
When you die, okay, what the fuck are you doing over there? When you die,
Oh my god, son of a bitch! Don't scream in the mic, you fucking dick!
I told you. Say hi to Grim. Ghost Grim.
You're.
We've been in this room for like 2 years.
Yeah, seriously, can we fucking go somewhere?
Did you just hear what I said, Joey? Grim
What?
died. He become a ghost.
Archie Bunker, wait.
Why are you following him? I'm following him.
I don't fucking know, cause no one knows where the fuck we're going. We're in the middle of a fucking, like,
I chose the smallest map.
this fucking sucks.
The look on your character's face screams, I'm tired of this shit.
Dude, I am tired of this shit. I'm fucking nervous, dude. Like, if you could,
And again, hold on, Joey.
I have high blood pressure, and I'm,
Behind us.
I don't want to turn.
Fuck me. Okay. My light's going out. I'm fucked, dude.
I hear it. I hear it. I hear him. I hear something.
Grim, be my light. I'm gonna follow you. Please follow him for me, cause my light's fucking up.
Oh my fucking son of a bitch, you asshole! You asshole! You fucking walked right in front of me.
I told you. That's what I was telling you. And when you guys become a ghost, it's scarier. He can't see the ghost even if he's chasing us. That's why.
Oh, there's a green dildo.
he's affected by this.
Furby, where are you?
I'm behind you. I thought it was okay. Grim, for the love of God, please be a road dog and please guide me. My flashlight is off right now.
Furby, stop. I'm right here. You're right next to me. Stay with me.
I can't really see flashlights. That's why I'm following the guy who, flashed me blue.
Okay.
He looks like the Walking
Okay, walking piece of sperm guy, could you please help us out? Do a solid.
Oh, well, that's where he died.
Where? Oh, you found his body? Let me see.
He looks like, his body looks like Majin Buu hit it with chocolate.
Oh shit!
Actually, that's my thing, guys.
I'm scared. I'm not.
Library again.
I hear growling. I hear it. It's behind me. He's fucking behind me. He's fucking behind. I'm running. Fuck you, Furby. I'm sorry. I love you, but I'm sorry.
No one behind you, it's me.
I hear heavy breathing. Stop heavy breathing, then, bitch. Go to the gym.
It's my character. It's
Oh my fucking stop! Fucking walking in front of me, Graham. You asshole. Green dildo.
10 viewers. 10 viewers are enjoying you getting your shit scared.
There was 10 viewers before we started. Shut up.
That's what I'm saying.
Dude, I've jumped like 8 times already.
We're always in this damn room.
This, we need a different map, because this is fucking, like, it's getting anticlimactic.
Nightmare mode the other way?
I mean,
That's what I'm saying, but nightmare mode or a smaller map?
I want a smaller map, dude.
Nightmare mode or a smaller map. That's the only way you're gonna get smaller maps. The other way.
I mean, this is kind of, like, anticlimactic now, because, like, I'm scared, and oh my god, why am I running against the wall?
Because you're good because this map is known for that. I just got stuck on a chair on this goddamn map.
Okay, so let's try a different map, Potter. 'Cause this is too big. No, I don't want to die. I want...
Why do you want to? No, let him die when it's on nightmare mode. Because he'll earn that death. He's not just killing himself. Okay, let's go, Darlene.
How do you leave?
You just push start and push exit. Joey, it's weird.
I'm fucking terrified, dude. No.
I told you he wasn't just an asshole that jumped out of the screen. The one that's an asshole was Grim. He's the one who runs and dies first. All the time.
Oh my god, like, I can't even breathe, dude. My fucking heart is just fucked up right now. Furby's not in here.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna play Founders Hall on
Shit.
Fuck you, Grim. I gotta kill Trash Tape. Really? You gonna scare my brother on this fucking map? Do you realize my brother does not like guillotine?
I don't know what a small one is.
That one's too long. That one's like, all these maps are pretty big. All these maps are pretty big. I guess Homer's Hall is fine. Grim.
Yeah, Verizon, we could, yes. People who are in actually paid points to get in here, for the record. Because I felt it was unfair, because a lot of people wanted to play and get in and stuff, so even my sister paid points, dude.
What? Me? Jinky, bro. Jinky.
Don't run!
There's a tape in here that everyone's gonna miss. For sure.
You guys, why am I breathing? Is that my character breathing hard?
Yeah, your character is updated.
We're all the way over here, Grim's like over there.
I'm telling you, Grim is the lone ranger. He's the lone looking, see? Dude, what the fuck? He's right here! What the fuck?
This is nightmare mode. You said put on nightmare mode.
What? He's gonna touch this in the bum bum.
Am I gonna play zombies tonight? I can, dude. If people want to play, I'll play. Dude, my guy is so out of shape, dude. I barely fucking sprint. Like, I barely took 10 steps. I'm fucking fat, and I can still do that without breathing hard. Come the fuck on.
Other way, this way, this way, this way.
You guys are running off. It's being annoying. My guy sounds like he's eating a pork chop while smoking right now. Like, he's fucking out of breath. He's like, I want extra cheese, and some mayonnaise, and a great. Oh my fucking! Oh my god, son of a bitch!
Don't listen to little dialogue. Oh fuck, he's next, he's close, Grim, he's right behind us. Grim! Fuck! My screen!
I'm following Archie. Archie actually wants to survive, so I'm sticking with fucking Archie. The fuck is that noise?
I'm following Grim, I'm not trying to be alone. Fuck that.
I'm with Archie. You guys left me with the fucking Richie Rich kid. How is he gonna save me? You ain't gonna do? Give him money?
But I'm like, Alvin. Hey, Alvin plus Alma equals Aloha Dinky.
I have a satellite phone. We can get on this.
Call the fucking Quinjet. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh, it's so fucked. I wonder, can the monster be at two places at once? Can he pop up and scare all of us?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's great. If you guys really want to get creeped out about Founders Hall, you guys should totally look at the painting. That shit is horrible.
What painting? Pop culture.
Fun culture.
I hear weird noises. I hear weird noises. Weird. 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 Okay, we just put ourselves in a fucking corner. You are the worst fucking guide ever. Ever.
I'm Archie fucking General. Where the fuck you want to call me right now, alright? I don't give a shit.
I'm fucking scared.
Wandering free. We're free over here, bro.
I'm like the only one scared. You guys are enjoying yourself. Dude, I'm on my tippy toes on the fucking chair, and like my hands are sweating. No, if I put my hands into the camera, you probably see sweat right now. I am not fucking around. This shit is scary.
I'm just trying to.
Archie, don't run, bitch. I'm fucking. I need a. Don't do it. Burger. Don't. Don't forget the bacon. I can't see my facial expressions, but I probably look like a real McBitch right now.
Oh, fucking great.
Green dildo. Green dildo. Green dildo.
You guys would have died. You called the wrong person.
Why the fuck you running off for? Don't leave me behind. You're not a good friend.
Where are you guys?
We passed the guillotine. We passed the torture area. Yes, Joey, there is torture area.
Sounds like fun.
Not cheating.
Spank that bitch. Yo, stop running off. Oh my god.
You know what? This place is so big, I can't find nobody besides, Fallen Grim and his glorious.
We're in like the middle of a fucking room. It looks like a. Oh my god, I heard her scream.
Is he behind us?
This is white noise online and I'm scared. I'm fucking scared. No lie. Like, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not making this shit up right now. I'm like legitly fucked up.
I have my blinds completely shut where there's no lighting in my room, so.
I have to have a light or my camera will be like really fucking fucked up fuzzy.
Hold on, I need to turn the light.
He's getting served, guys. talk to you right now. We're not friends anymore. Like, you are creeping me out with your silence. Green dildo.
Fucking Scooby-Doo game that's gonna go through.
I know, right? Scooby Dooby Doo, where
Hey,
are you?
I'm the original Belmore kid, bro.
We probably got influenced by Scooby-Doo, and this is where we are. We fucked up along the way. We got talked to by a goddamn dog that can talk. And this goddamn hygiene.
Shaggy.
Hey, at least apparently getting talked to by Scrappy Doo his little ass.
I would rather take Scrappy over this shit.
Dude,
Hey, Scrappy's fucked up, dude.
I'm getting kind of bored now because I haven't been scared at all, and I think it's because we're too far apart to have like that moment.
Behind you.
No, I'm not looking behind me. Fuck you. This-
Fuck you! Fuck you and your sperm looking ass, you piece of shit!
Your sperm looking ass.
Oh my god, the music just changed. Oh no.
I swear, if you put us in a quarter pounder,
Any more persons that watch recording will know the music changes. Okay, Grim, where'd you go? Grim, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Fuck you. Yeah, go flash your light.
There's a dildo on the wall.
Wait, on the wall? Wait, you're close to us. Wait, Grim, wait. Yeah, you're close to us then. We just passed the dildo on the wall. We're a bunch of crates. Okay, my light's flickering on off.
Bunch of crates?
Yeah, like a bunch of crates and shit. Oh my god, Grim, turn around, look on the ground. What the fuck is that? Why are there blood marks?
Oh, I know where you guys are. Go back into the...
Fuck you! There's blood marks. Why?
my light's flickering. My light is flickering. What does that mean?
I wasn't my ear. It means the shit about to turn off.
Hey, white guy, stop, please, Mr. Archie.
Wait for me.
I see where the blood prints are. Straight up.
Yeah, seriously, can you guys fucking wait?
No, you don't understand we're being chased by him right now. What do you want us to do? Wait?
Wait, do a circle. Do it like it's zombies and do a circle.
No, the circle don't work.
What happens when my light turns off? Yeah, I know.
I can't see anything.
Where you at?
We're in the corner. I'm scared.
No, seriously, where the fuck are you?
I'm telling you, we're in the fucking corner. What's wrong with me?
I hear growling.
He's popping up like a fucking stick of madness. I'm scared.
Where are you guys?
Yeah, seriously, you're taking away from the experience from me because you guys have the monster and I'm literally walking around and I just lost Potter. I just lost fucking Potter.
We're still in the room with the fucking footprint.
He's
We need to find them. Where's the sarcophagus? Or you can just leave
No,
me
but the
find
other
them.
way.
He's climbing up. I'm getting scared.
like I'm no longer scared because like there's nothing to be scared of. I've been walking around for like 10 minutes and not ran into anything.
You know, be careful what you wish for.
Dude, I would like to. No, I'm serious. I'm legitly bored now. Because everyone's fucking running off and we're not doing this like we're supposed to. So like the game is being split in half. And I'm not experiencing anything because you guys ran off.
How did we get separated?
I don't know. I just followed. I thought Grim was going with you guys and that stuff. Okay, so where are you guys? What is around you? Potter, do you know where the torturing area is? Look, that's where we are. We're by the torture area again.
Okay, I see like a big chalkboard. We're running into we're in an empty room now. Like a completely empty room.
I'm back in a different room that has like there's different rooms with like
There's crates. We're in their fucking crates again.
crates, like a bunch of crates.
Yeah, a bunch of crates.
Do you guys remember Fort Split where those big statues of like the big giant heads were
Yeah,
there?
I know where it is.
We're over there. We're over there. And you might want to hurry because the guy is like, Grim? Grim?
We're near a bunch of
It's
vases.
dangerous to go alone. Grim, did you die? Where are you? I'm about to die right now. No. He's gonna kill me. Fuck. No. Fucking Grim, why did you leave me? No. If you fucking kill me, your dick is a little tinier every time. No.
Just say where you are. Oh shit! There he is.
I
Did,
fucking died.
did he kill you right there?
Yeah, I fucking died, dude. Fucking Grim.
About times. Why am I still white? Why am I so like white noise?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Oh my god! I hear growling.
You died?
No. Whoa! Green penis. We're in a big statue room now.
Trying to find
We need to find the fucking tapes. We haven't even ran into tapes or anything.
That's what I'm saying. Because like, all the time
I don't know what I should be.
right there. Behind you. No one behind you.
I'm not looking behind me. I'm fuck.
Hold up.
You said don't look behind you. Don't look behind you does not mean stand still. It means run, bitch, run. Okay, what do you listen for on the tapes?
you just listen to like it's just like white noise. It's like
Oh shit! Oh my god! Okay, I'm running. I ran the wrong. I don't know where I ran. Where the fuck did you go, Potter? Okay.
see, at least Grim led me, but at least Potter didn't leave you.
Someone has a lot of background noise. Like I hear like TV and babies and all kinds of shit. It's taken away from my fucking experience. Right here, I hear something. Green dildo. Could there be? Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Run! Dude! Oh, I ran into a corner.
Grim, are you dead? Die first. See, I told you to die first.
We need to find these fucking tapes. We need to find these fucking tapes. They're dead. It's just us.
We can't see the tape though. I never did. Like Grim wasn't showing me where the flipping tapes were. I got it because I'm just kind of Do you guys know what the statue room is? Like all the Japanese statues?
I'm not looking for you. You guys are dead.
Why is it I'm seeing this area going dead? When I was alive, I never did this area. You know what?
I hear something. Shh. Quiet. Shh. Thank you. I knew I heard it too. I can't. All you guys are talking so much, I can't hear shit now. Oh my god, one more. One more. Shut your baby up. Thank you. As long as she shuts up right now, that's fine. Okay. Shh. Shut the baby up. If you're wondering why my eyes are looking back and forth, because I'm trying to listen for a date. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! I'm so sorry for screaming. I am so sorry. Oh my fucking god!
You left my brother alone because you were scared. You're nice. You're a nice guy.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my, oh my fucking god. Okay, okay. Oh fuck. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my fuck, dude, my whole body is fucking shaking, no lie. No, dude, that scared the fucking shit out of me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my fucking goodness. Yeah, I'm fine, dude. That scared the like I know I say that scared the shit out of me. Dude, but that got me. No fucking lie, that got me right now. Oh shit. I'm okay. Dude, I felt like I almost threw up. I felt like oh my goodness. Oh, fuck. Dude, oh my goodness. Oh my fucking god, I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so...
Let me give you a warning with Slenderman and Joey. There's more backstory.
Dude, what the fuck? What happened to Potter? Did Potter literally, like, it ditched me on purpose to get me killed?
Yeah, no, I don't know if it was on purpose, but he left you. He left the shit out of you.
Hold on, let me explain. I was scared.
He was doing shit. Okay, yeah, that explains everything. I was scared.
After I heard the scream, I pressed start down an A. Yeah, after I heard the scream.
Dude, I was gone. No, you were left way before I screamed.
No, I didn't. I left while you were screaming.
You have a point of view while you're screaming.
Good God.
Hey, Joey.
What? What, bitch?
Died.
Yeah, you're right. He died. I died with him. I literally hit my heart.
Fucking Grim said he chickened out. Outlast? No, fuck you, Grim. I'm playing Outlast. It's funny.
I'm trying to gather myself. Like I got tears because that really got me. Oh shit, dude. I didn't even get to see my reaction or anything because I was too busy recovering from that.
Potter straight dashboard that shit. He was like, nope. And fucking he hopped on the train he hopped on the milk train from fuck that shit though. He was like, you sir. You sir.
Dude, my body is fucking shaking. Like I feel like a numb.
Hey Joe, stream highlight?
Oh, dude, that's gonna be a stream highlight, like a motherfucker. I just need to gather myself. I have tears. No lie. Like they scared the fucking shit out of me. 0 to 100, real fast. That's first down.
So I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna get off Xbox. I'm the only one home right now.
Oh, that's a smooth move.
Oh shit.
That's great.
No, I'm not gonna play by myself.
I didn't want.